Hi friends, welcome to CI Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to learn about elasticity of supply. What is elasticity of supply? So under this, the degree to which the supply of product increases or decreases due to the change in the product price is termed as elasticity of supply. So in the previous previous topics, we understood that supply, law of supply and supply. Supply means that when the producer is willing to supply, that is give some level of commodity in a given price for a specific period, that is supply. And law of supply also talks about the when there is a change in any of the determinant, there will be change in the supply, quantity of supply. So here that quantity of supply responsiveness, we talk about the elasticity of supply, that is degree to which the supply of the product increases due to the change in the product price is termed as elasticity of supply. So elasticity of supply is considered as responsiveness of the sellers to change in the price of the product. The same thing, the proportionate change of the commodity supplied due to the proportionate change in the price. Then it is represented in the form of formula, that is ES, and percentage change in the quantity supplied by percentage change in the price. The same thing is denoted delta QS by delta P into P by QS. That is the change in the quantity, delta Q, change in the quantity supplied, then change in the price into price by quantity of the supply. So this is represented in this formula. Then elasticity of supply is depicted in the form of graph that you can see here. P1, P2, P3, that is when the price is increasing, price is decreasing, how it is influencing the supply. So P1, then it is N3, the supply, then it is increased to P3, then it is N2, the quantity supplied, then when it is P2, the quantity is P1. So when the price is increasing, you can see the supply is also increasing. So the curve is going upwards, right side. So towards right side, upwards. So supply curve, it is showing, it is directly proportional with the price. When the price is increasing, the quantity supply is also increasing. So the time element basically has significant impact on the elasticity of supply. There is more elasticity of supply in the long period of time, while supply curve in a short period of time is perfectly inelastic. So under this you have different types of elasticity of supply. There are like perfectly elastic supply, perfectly inelastic supply, and relatively elastic supply, relatively inelastic supply, then unitary elastic supply. These types we also discussed in the elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand. In the similar way we have in the elasticity of supply also. So let us understand one by one. So perfectly elastic supply, that is the situation where there is a change in the supply of product in spite there is no change in the price. So when there is no change in the price, even then when the change in the supply is there, then it is said to be perfectly elastic supply, which we call it as E is equal to infinity. Then perfectly inelastic supply. Perfectly inelastic supply, it is said to be the situation existence when there is no change in the supply in spite there is a drastic change in the price. Even though there is a change, large change in the price, but it is no change in the quantity supplied, then it is said to be perfectly inelastic. Then we call it as elasticity is 0. The next one is relatively elastic supply. So relatively elastic supply is said to be the situation existence where the rate of the change of supply is greater than the rate of the price. That means the change of the price is less when compared to the change of the supply. Change of the supply is more when compared to the change of the price. This is said to be relatively elastic supply. Then E is greater than 1. Then relatively inelastic supply, this situation is set when the rate of change of the supply is less than the rate of the change of the price. That is, when there is a change of the supply is less but the change in the price is more, then it is said to be relatively inelastic. The elasticity is said to be less than 1. Then last one is unitary elastic supply. It is said when rate of the change of the supply, quantity supplied, is equal to the rate of the change of the price. So when the degree of change is equal for the price change as well as the quantity supplied, then it is said to be unitary elastic supply. The elasticity is equal to 1. So this is unitary elastic supply, and this is all about the types of elasticity of supply. And the questions expected, like the types of elasticity of supply. Hope this video is helpful in understanding different types of supply, elasticity of supply. Thank you.